and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiara Shanice. For the ones that know me, thank you and welcome back. If you are now just tuned into my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you do like this video. A hair review video on Domiso hair. This hair can be found on Amazon, and if you have Amazon Prime, of course you can get it within a couple of days. So I'm just going to go over all the pros and cons of this hair, so just keep watching. All right, so I am going to start off with the pros. So of course this is my real opinion of this hair. So this is a 24-inch deep wave wig. I will be listing everything down below and as well as the link, so you can, if you're interested, of course you can purchase. But this is a 24-inch deep wave wig. It is a highlighted wig. It's also 13 by 4, and it is about 150-180% density. I believe it's 150% density, but again, I will be leaving everything down below so you can go back. But so I'm gonna start off with the pros with this hair. The first pro I can say is the length. It's definitely true to length. This is a 24-inch, and I will stand up so you can be able to see exactly where it will fall on you, and I will actually turn around to see, for you to see how it looks in the back. And again, I'm 5'6", so of course I'm kind of tall, and you can see where exactly it'll fall. So standing up naturally, this is where it falls on me. If you pull it out, it does go about stomach to my stomach. I haven't actually straightened it out, so this is exactly how it falls if you were to just wear it. It's also highlighted, so you can see that there's little bits of pieces of highlights in this wig as well. Now, there isn't a lot of highlights in this wig. There's only like just a couple of highlights, and it is about like a honey blonde highlight. They're not too bright, and they're definitely not dark. Like, they're actually noticeable where you can actually see it, but the highlights are not, there's not a lot of highlights. There's only just a couple of highlights in this wig, but it is throughout the hair. So of course there's two highlights right on the money pieces, and as you can see, there's a highlight right there and a highlight right here, but they are just scattered throughout the hair. So that's a plus, but I wish it could have had like a little bit more highlights. So it is majority brown. It is majority brown, but with a couple of pieces that are highlighted. Another good pro about this hair is the lace. As you can see, it's showing nothing but scalp. Nothing but scalp. So I do love the lace on this wig. It's given a really realistic look. I had no problem with the lace. I did just do like simple baby hairs on each side. They're just the same. I had no problems at all bleaching the wig, plucking the wig, no issues at all. And I will also insert me unboxing as well as a little bit of installing on the screen so you can actually see it. And another pro with this hair is the hair is extremely soft. So from the time I got it out the package to right now, like, this hair is really soft, and I had already put product in it like a couple of days now, and so already some product in it, but this hair still remains soft. It looks soft, it is soft. It's very, very soft. It's about a little less than $200 to order. It's a 24-inch again. And I can say this wig doesn't have any flyaways, so that is definitely a pro. Y'all know how usually you part your hair and it's a lot of flyaways sticking up. This wig has no flyaways. I know you see like one piece right there, but that's not really too much to fault the company for. But it has like no flyaways, and it is also like a 427. So as y'all know, a 4 color is brown, 27 is like a honey blonde. So it is a 427 as well. And I believe that it is 180% density. And yeah, so again, this is a 13 by 4, so it is ear to ear, and my part does go all the way right here. Now we're gonna jump right into the cons. The parting space is not really good on this hair. As you can see, I just have a middle part, but y'all know I like the side parts. So with the side, it's not really too much. As you can see, there's my side, and that's where it stops. I mean, you can do a flip over, but you wouldn't be able to do too much on the sides because there's not enough parting space. Another con with this hair is I feel like the front pieces are a little bit thin. So y'all, I did not cut this hair at all, but y'all see it is kind of like in a layer effect. So I think that's kind of a plus. That's kind of a plus. But like with this hair, they kind of want you to put it in a middle part. It's kind of like advertised in the middle part, but I really feel like they want you to put it in the middle part. So this is what the ends of the hair look like. So it's a little bit thin, and it looks like it's kind of going at an angle a little bit, because you can see the money pieces are a little bit shorter than the rest of the hair. So it looks like it's supposed to be just in the middle. So as you can see, it does have that layer effect with the two money pieces, but the rest of the hair does go all the way down to 24 inches. I do want to also mention that I don't really like the fact that it doesn't have that many highlights, but some of the pictures that's posted, it does have some highlights and some doesn't. So it definitely has more of the 4 color instead of the 27. I did try the wet look on this hair, but y'all, this hair soaks up so much water. The water and the moisturizer, and it just, like, I don't know if it's humidity, but it just poops right back up. I literally just sprayed water right before doing this video, and like, look how big it is already. Even though I live for volume, but y'all, I kind of wanted a little bit to find just a little bit, because it's real big back here. But at least you won't have a problem with it looking thin. But it is a little bit big back here, and but it really gives full, like it really gives full. And I also want to mention, so the way the wig came, it was actually like big. Like I really thought it was big, but I did have to cut my frontals on behind my ears and pull. Like the wig was big, but it still wasn't fitting my head. So I was really kind of confused, but I made it work. I definitely made it work, but I don't know what kind of head shape it's kind of made for, but it was big but also small. I'm not really sure. It was small around my forehead, but overall it's large, but I'm not really understanding how it was constructed. But I mean, I made it work, but you don't want to have to like struggle putting on a wig. This hair soaks up a lot of water because it's actually looking really dry, and I did moisturize it and everything. I did receive a little bit of shedding with this hair as well. Every time I brush it, of course, I get some shedding. So I did have that, but the hair still remains soft. I didn't have a problem with the hair drying up. Like, it may be dry now, but y'all, this hair is still super soft. Like, it feels like I deep conditioned it. That's how soft this hair is. It's really soft. The curls are really defined. So again, this is a Deep Wave wig. Tell me why this hair look curly. Like, this hair looks curly. It doesn't even look Deep Wave. Like, this hair looks curly. Y'all know how like deep waves really give off ripple. This is really giving off curly, natural. This is my natural hair. So it definitely gives off that. If y'all do have any more questions, just leave them down below in the comment section. Again, I will leave as much information as possible in the description box as well. And again, this hair can be found on Amazon. It's Domiso Hair. This is a 24-inch 13x4, and it is a little less than $200 for this wig as well, and it's a 427. So again, the pros are that it's very soft. It has a really good lace on it. I do like the color, but wish it had a little bit more highlights on it. I had no problems bleaching, plucking it, or any problems with shipping with this hair. The hair is very, very soft. A couple of cons is the parting space on it. It should have had a little bit more highlights that's advertised. It soaks up a whole bunch of water where it just looks really poofy. Just real fluffy. It looks real fluffy. At least it looks full. And it's already in a layer effect like you're supposed to have it in the middle part. I think that's my biggest con, like the parting space. I wish it had a little bit more parting space on the sides. So again, the parting space on the sides just go about right here, and where my finger is where the track starts. As you can see, there is a track right there. So that is like the parting space, but the hair is beautiful. I can say, like, it's very soft, it's full. Like, if you're going for Beyonce, this is it. And yeah, so it does look good on me. I'm not gonna hate. It does look good. It look real good. But if you need something quick, this is definitely the hair. If you're looking for a good highlighted wig, this is it. Because y'all know a lot of the curly wigs are like hard and crunchy and all of that, and it's not soft. So this is definitely a plus. Like, this hair is like cotton. It's like cotton. It's really soft. Thank you for watching my video. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, please do that now. If you have any questions, please leave it down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video.